The Snap repository is a product of Canonical, the company behind Ubuntu, and it comes pre-installed on many Ubuntu-based distros. Or it is easy to install on them. One Linux distro that is not based on Ubuntu gives users easy access to snaps, though it doesn't come pre-installed with the capability to install them. Manjaro, an Arch-based distro, allows users to install the Snap repository and have access to snaps with just a few clicks. This video demonstrates activating the repository on Manjaro and installing a few snaps. Manjaro has a link to the Snap repository connected to its Add Remove software application. This can be found in the bar along the bottom of the screen. It also can be found by clicking the M in the bottom left of the screen. Add Remove software may be located in Favorites. If it is not, type Add in the text box at the top of the menu. Click the icon to launch the store. In the Add Remove software store, click the three bars in the top right corner of the window. This is the KDE Plasma interface. If you are using the No More XFCE interfaces, it will be three dots on top of each other. Click the bars or dots. Then click Preferences in the menu that appears. An authentication required dialog may appear. Type the administrator password. Click the OK button. One of two windows may appear. One will have the word Preferences across the top. It will have several tabs, including one called Snap. Click Snap. In that tab, there is a slider button to activate the Snap repository. Click it to move it and activate Snap. The other window has three items across the top: General, Advanced, and Third Party. Click Third Party. In this tab there is a Snap section and a slider for it. Click the slider to activate snaps. Regardless of which window you had to interact with, close the window in the store. Then reopen the store. Now you can search for desired apps and you will see the Snap version in the list. I will search for GIMP. To install an app, simply click the list item to enter the apps page. On the apps page, click the Install button. Then click Apply in the bottom right of the store window. In the transaction summary dialog that appears, click the Apply button. You may see the dialog again that requires you to enter your password. Enter it. Then press the OK button. The software will now be installed. This OS College video has been about installing the Snap repository on Manjaro. The video is available at several locations. It is available at oscollege.com, along with other videos, articles and other information about various Linux distros and Office applications. It is available at several social media sites, including the OS College Facebook and MeWe pages. It is also available at the OS College YouTube channel. If you are watching on YouTube, be sure to click subscribe and like to receive notifications of future videos. There are links to web pages about Snap and Manjaro in the social media posts for this video, and the description for it in YouTube. Thank you for watching.